Students, today we discuss the topic highest common factor. Highest common factor means HCF. HCF is also called as GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. Now let us understand first the properties of HCF. The first property of HCF is the HCF of two or more numbers is their greatest common factor. The second property is if one number is a factor of the other, then smaller number is the HCF of two numbers. For example, in case of 9 and 27, 9 is the factor of 27. So the HCF of 9 and 27 is 9 only. So always remember, if one number is a factor of the other, then smallest number is always a HCF of that number. Then the next property is, if the HCF of two numbers is 1, then they are called as a co-prime numbers. For example, take two numbers 16 and 25. If you find out all the factors of 16 and 25, you will get that 1 is the only common factor of 16 and 25, which will become HCF also. So when the HCF of any two number is 1, we call that number co-prime numbers. So here 16 and 25 are co-prime numbers. Next property is the consecutive numbers are always co-prime. Now what do you mean by consecutive? Consecutive means the number which comes after one another without any gap. The number which follow each other in particular order without any gap. Or we can say that a number which comes continuously or in succession called as a consecutive numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are consecutive numbers which comes after one another without any gap. So consecutive numbers are always co-prime. So you can take any two consecutive number. For example, 4 and 5. They are consecutive numbers. So they are co-prime also. Similarly, 9 and 10. They are consecutive numbers. So they are co-prime as well. Now let's see how to find the HCF of any two given number or any two given or more than two numbers. We have three methods to find out the HCF. The first one is all factor method. The second is prime factorization method, and third is long division method. Now let's start first with the all factor method. So here is your exercise 3.2, question number A. Find the HCF by finding all factors. Here two numbers are given to you, 15 and 30, and you have to find out the HCF of 15 and 30 by using which method? All factor method. Children, we have already seen how to find all factors of a given numbers. Yes, we have to apply same method here. First of all, we find the factors of 15. What are the factors of 15? 1 into 15, 15. 3 into 5, 15. Means the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Similarly, we can find the factors of 30. 1 into 30, 30. 2 into 15, 30. 3 tens are 30 and 5 6 are 30. So what are all the factors of 13? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These are the factors of 30. If you are able to find out the factors of any number directly, then you can write it down directly as well. Just like that, here I have written the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. The factors of 30 are 1, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now you have to find out the common factors of both the numbers. So which are the common factors? Yes, number 1 is a common, then number 3 is common, number 5 is also common, and number 15 is also common. So the common factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. In all the common factor, which is the highest one? Yes, the factor 15 is the highest one. Means 15 is the highest common factor, which we call as a HCF. So the HCF is 15. Hence the HCF of 15 and 30 is 15. It's very simple. You can find out the HCF of 3 number also, just like we have seen in 2 numbers. Here we have to find out the HCF of 24, 32 and 56. Okay, so first of all we have to find out their factors individually. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. The factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. And the factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 23 and 56. Then you have to find out the common factors. So if you observe the factors of three numbers, you will see that the common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. I make a underline below them. You can see here. So 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the common factors of 24, 32 and 56. In all the common factor, which is the highest one? Yes, the factor 8 is the highest. It means the highest common factor is 8. So the HCF is 8. Highest common factor means HCF. HCF is 8. So what would be our last answer? The HCF of 24, 32 and 56 is 8. So likewise you can solve the remaining example of question number A of exercise 3.2 given in your textbook.